One of the most informative and valuable skills of this era is digital marketing. Today I am going to tell you some basic terms that we must know. Let's get started. SEO, search engine optimization, optimizing web content to rank higher in search engine results pages, increasing visibility and organic traffic. PPC, pay-per-click. Advertising model, where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked, driving targeted traffic to their website or landing page. CTR, click-through rate. Percentage of users who click on a specific link out of the total. Number of users who view a page or an ad, indicating the CTA, call to action. Prompting users to take a specific action, such as making a purchase, sign up for a newsletter, or click a link, to drive conversions and engagement. ROI, return on investment. Measurement of the profitability of an investment, indicating the efficiency and effectiveness of marketing campaigns in generating revenue relative to the costs incurred. KPI, key performance indicator. Quantifiable metrics are used to evaluate the success of marketing efforts and track progress towards specific goals, guiding decision-making and strategy adjustments. Thanks for watching.